all jokes aside, yeah, in grammar it is absolutely incorrect. Did you know it's incorrect to say this? All jokes aside. Hi everybody, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am JM and I'm an English teacher. I've been teaching English for about 6 years now. Please, I am sorry the sound will be up to standard because basically using my phone without a microphone. So this is just my normal voice and I think some people might not love this sound. Please bear with me. As time goes on, I'm going to get a microphone for my phone or I get a camera. Let's learn English together. This is a very good experience. Let's learn the new words together and try to make use of it in our daily activities. Yes, let us learn how to speak fluently in English. Subscribe as you enjoy the lesson. The main purpose for a language is for communication. Same goes with English, French, or any other language. Did you know it's incorrect to say all jokes aside? Yeah, in grammar it is absolutely incorrect to say that. The original phrase is joking aside. So let's stop saying this, all joke aside. Let's stop all these jokes. No, the original phrase is joking aside or joking apart. Let me say you are learning with a friend and out of a sudden the friend tried to play over the words, maybe any words that you see. For you to bring back the consciousness of this person, you don't have to say joking aside. No, this is the phrase you have to use. Oh, my friend, all jokes aside or all jokes apart. When you do this, how is it called in English when you do this? How is it called in English? Yeah, look at my hands. When you do this, how is it called in English? Yeah, there are some words that technical words that some people will say it doesn't have a meaning. Actually, it doesn't have a descriptive word, but actually it does this. How do you call it in English? If I'm doing this, I am clasping my hands. I'm clasping my hand. Yeah, that is CLASP, claps. So you can say he claps his hand while listening to me, or you say he claps his hand as he listened to me narrate the story. En anglais, on appelle ceci que claps. On appelle ceci que claps en anglais. Oui, quand tu as encore de parler avec quelqu'un et il fait comme ça, oui, en anglais, on appelle ça que claps. He claps his hands while listening to me. So let's move to the next. While eating, there are some people who keep staring at you, especially when you are eating something that they love so well. Yeah, they keep staring at you. This is mostly done by kids. When you are eating and a child keeps staring at you, how do you call that in English? Oui, je suis encore dit que quand vous êtes encore de manger et les enfants vous regardent comme ça, comment on appelle ça en anglais? Yes, we call that grog. Grog. That is GROKE. Grog. Yeah, she is grogging at me. Your child is grogging at me. I think she is hungry. Can you give her some food? She is grogging at me. Grog can either be a noun or a verb. This child was by you and you didn't share your food with her. What will be your response? Your response should be, I didn't share my food with this child because she kept on grogging at me while I was eating, and that is a bad habit. Did you find this interesting? Let me leave you here for today. Here we are going to be learning more. If you found this interesting, subscribe to the channel for many more. See you